Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we got some LED bulbs from AUXITO sent us and we're gonna install them. Stay tuned. We got some light bulbs shipped out from AUXITO. They hit me up and said they want me to review their bulbs. So they sent me bulbs for the RAM and we're gonna be throwing them in. The two daytime running light bulbs, or one of them's out. These look pretty good, looks nice outside. They got good service from what I've heard. I've been going back and forth with emails. They seem pretty good through there too. Let's see what we got here, guys. Let's see what it all comes with. Here's what the box looks like. Here's the specs if you want to check those out. They are for my RAM 9005/HB3. Now on this side they say high brightness, long lifespan, plug and play, and off-road, baby. You know, we're hitting the trails with these lights. Nice box. We're gonna pop her open here. We got the nice little mitts. Some of you guys might need these mitts here so you don't touch the bulb and get your greasy little fingers on it. We got instructions, little manual here. Looks pretty good. You guys can go through it if you pick these up. I will have a link in the description if you guys do want to buy these. And here are the bulbs themselves. So these actually look really good. Like, look at that. There's a little fan in there. Looks really nice. Good quality, but we will have to see how they stand up to the off-roading, which we like to do on this channel. So that's what you get, guys. You get the bulbs, you get instructions, you get your little Michael Jackson mitts, and there it is. That's what it comes with. Let's throw them on the truck. Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna be giving you guys a step-by-step here. My truck is not stock, so stuff might be different. First thing you're gonna do, pop the hood. Boom, just popped, just like that, simple step. We're gonna raise it. Mine's only gonna go to the canopy here. Oh, well that's perfect, little gap. Okay, now, first thing we're gonna do, take this cover off. For me, super simple, because everything on my truck is kind of jerry-rigged. There we go. Now, next thing we're gonna do, we got 4 bolts here for the grill. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna speed ratchet those guys. So these bolts are just 10 mils. We're just gonna spin them out just like that. 3 and 4. Now, next thing you're gonna do, I'm gonna do it with one hand to show you guys how confident I am. Pop it out of the bottom on both sides. Mine are probably broken, and there you go. So the reason we have to do that is because we got a bolt here. You guys will have a bolt here, a bolt there. All I have is this bolt here, and this is zap strap. As you can see, normally there's a bolt there. We don't have that luxury. However, we can see from the back here what kind of is going on. Up here for you guys, you're gonna have a little white tab. You have to pop the white tab up, and this thing will slide out. There's a little right there, you can see it. There's a little ball popped in and it comes out. So when you pull this out, pull it straight out, and you guys should have it removed. I'm gonna go ahead and remove mine. It's the off-road edition. The bulbs I got sent, they are not for my actual headlight. They are for my daytime running lights. So they're gonna be going in the down pocket there, which is good because mine didn't work. So this is perfect. I actually tried to put them up here. They're different, so be careful of that. Let's go check these out here. This just looks like a cheap Amazon one. You guys can see it's kind of fading. I don't really know what's going on there. Looks a little worn, but they weren't working anymore. This is the old one, and we got our new one here. Looks a lot better than that one, to be honest. It looks like it's got the same plug, which is good. You got the same width on those in there. So yeah, this one's going in my lower light. So let's plug it in here. All right, guys, there you have it. So these are the daytime running lights for mine and the high beams, I believe. When I press the high beams on my truck, those should come on. I have dual, this came stock with dual setups. I put quads in it. It might be a little bit different from normal, but that's what we got going on here. You guys can see it's all plugged in, fits nicely snug. You can't use your cap anymore for the headlight like this one up here. So yeah, let's get it set back in place. The exact same steps. You're gonna pop it up. Make sure you fit it right here is what I was talking about earlier. This little ball goes in there, and then you guys just bolt her back up the exact same way. Just like that, you can see we got our new bulb in there from AUXITO. This one is done. We got it back bolted in there. We got our bolt, we got our zap strap. You guys can bolt that one up and then pop that tab back down in the rear. And on this side, exact same thing, guys. Get those bulbs in and test them out. Okay guys, we got them in. Before I go any further, just want to make sure that they work. Okay guys, so as you can see there, these bottom ones now are super bright. Like that was really bright. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it in the off position. We're gonna put it in drive, and we'll check our running lights here. We're gonna use the high beams a bit and really see how bright these are, and it'll be nighttime. But that's it for the install, guys. Super simple. All you need is a 10 mil. Basically, yeah, it took me about 20 minutes, so you guys can definitely do it at home. All you need is that 10 mil. They usually run away though, so make sure you got a few of them because they're rare these days. But yeah, let's check it out at night. These are my regular beams that come on at night. Look at that. So these are the AUXITO. You guys can see that. Like that's so sick. Like look at this range. Like it literally looks like I have my off-road lights on. Like that's nuts. And then you look at those ones. So those are my top ones. These are the AUXITO. That's nuts. It's so bright. What the heck? You don't need them going up really, but my lights are kind of wobbly, so they kind of go wherever. But that's pretty good. You got the bright, and then if I go my off-road lights. Holy, she's bright. All right guys, so it's been a month, literally a month on the dot, that I installed these LED lights. I just wanted to make sure that they're good. I don't want to sell you guys anything that's gonna die a day after you install them. These have passed the month test so far. No issues at all. They come on every time I go into drive, and they work when I need high beams. They work, that's all there is to it. They're super bright, as you could see, as when I drove by there. They're crazy bright. So if you guys are interested in picking up any lights from AUXITO, use my discount code in the description. You can get 15% off any purchase of any, it doesn't matter the vehicle or anything, any truck, any car you want that they have on the website. They're good quality. I've been talking to the management at AUXITO. They're super nice. They reply really fast. They seem to have a good business. I wouldn't promote anything that I think is not good, and I wouldn't promote it unless I tested it. So if that's something you're interested in, check out the link in the description and go pick up these lights. I approve of them. Thank you guys so much for watching. Recently the channel hit 500K views, which is pretty crazy considering I never thought I'd get that big. So that's pretty cool. And thanks for sticking around, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Perfect.